Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python sequence data types. So what are sequence data types in Python? So Python supports sequence data types using which we can store a sequence of values or multiple values at a time in a Python variable. So they are of three types: string type, list type, tuple type. So coming to the string, okay. So string is a collection of characters which is represented in single quotes, double quotes, triple quotes. So string class type provides many inbuilt functions using which we can perform different operations on string data or string object. For example, hello plus sci. Hello sci, which is used for string concatenation, combining two strings into single string using plus operator. Next, sci into 3. It will do repetition of sci 3 times. Sci, sci, sci. Next, triple single quotes. Welcome to Python. Okay. So basically we use this triple single quotes to represent data which is mainly in the form of multiple lines. So if you want to represent the data mainly in the form of multiple lines, then we have to go for triple single quotes, or we can go for triple double quotes also. For example, welcome to string type. Right. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Okay. So first take comments at the beginning of the program. So we'll put comments for list case and tuple case. So I'm taking string ss hello, print ss, type of ss. So hello plus sci, print sci into 3. Okay, right. So let me just put proper comments for all these remaining cases. Okay, right. So first we'll execute till here. So save this program. Come to the command prompt where you have saved the program. So run Python sequence data types example1.py. So ss hello, type of ss str, which is class type. So hello plus sci, hello sci. So sci into 3, sci, sci, sci. Next we'll take multi-line string. Okay, so in multi-line string I'm taking welcome to Python. Okay, so say print ss. Okay, also print type of ss. Right, similarly I'll take one more here. ss is equals to triple double quotes, welcome to string type, close the triple double quotes, print ss, type of ss. So save it and run. Okay, fine. So run the program. So here if you see welcome to Python, string type, welcome to string type, it is string type. So whenever you want to represent the data in multiple lines using a string, then go for triple single quotes, triple double quotes. Next, coming to list type. So list is similar to that of arrays in C++ and C language. So but here in Python using list we can store same type of data as well as different type of data. Okay, so we can have same and different type of data. So list items or list values or list objects are given in square brackets and separated with commas. Example, list 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 in square brackets. List 2, 1001 psi 6.2, list 1 plus list 2. It will do concatenation of two lists, list 1 into 3. It will perform repetition of list 3. So list operations are almost all similar to that of the string. Okay, let us do this in the program. So list 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So print list 1, type of list 1. So list 2, 1001 psi 6.2, print list 2, type of list 2. So list 1 plus list 2, both will be added into a single list. So list 1 into 3. So it will repeat list 1 3 times and gets a new list. So we'll execute till here, save and run the program. So list 1 of type list, list 2 of type list. So list 1 contains integer values, list 2 contains integer, string, float. So list 1 plus list 2 will get a concatenation list. So list 1 into 3. So 10 to 50, 10 to 50, 10 to 50. We'll get that as a new list. And coming to third sequence data type, tuple. So tuple is completely same as that of list, but values are given in circle brackets. And it is read-only version of list. Means once you initialize the value, we cannot modify the data. Okay, so let us do that in the program. Tuple. Okay, so I'm taking tuple in circle brackets 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So print tuple 1, type of tuple 1. Next, I'm taking tuple 2, 1001 psi 6.2, print tuple 2, type of tuple 2. Next, tuple 1 plus tuple 2, it will add both of them and gives a new tuple. Tuple 1 into 3, it will repeat tuple 1 3 times and gives a new tuple. Okay, right, so let us execute till here, save it, run. So tuple 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, it is of type class tuple. So tuple 1001 psi 6.2, tuple 2, it is of type class tuple. So tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Next, tuple 1 3 times into 3, you will get a new tuple. Now let us try to modify value of a tuple. Okay, right. So tuple 1 of 0. So what is tuple 1 of 0? Means first index value 10. So save it, run. Okay, so put the proper comments for the remaining lines. So tuple 1 of 0 value is 10. First index value, which is 0. I mean, index is 0, value is 10. So now tuple 1 of 0, 100. I'm trying to modify it and print tuple 1. Okay, so no modification, you will get the error. Okay, so save it, run. If you see here, tuple 1 of 0, I'm changing 10 to 100. Okay, so we'll put comment in Python using hash. So save it and run. So we are getting error, tuple object does not support item assignment. So once you initialize the tuple, okay, later we cannot modify it, you will get a error. Okay, so tuple is read-only version of list. So this is how we are supposed to work with sequence data types in Python program. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.